Hey guys, it's Larry, and today is a very special day because I am doing my first giveaway. We're having our first giveaway, finally! So I've been doing this for several months. I really, quite honestly, you watch all the YouTube people do all the crafty stuff and shopping hauls and all the cool stuff, and they've got thousands of subscribers, and you just kind of think, oh, well, I can do that. I have lots of stuff I want to share. I'll do that too. I just really thought it would take like maybe a month to get 100 subscribers. Seriously, I was only looking for 100 subscribers so I could do my first raffle, and it's taken me months. I don't even remember when I started, but it's been months. So it's been slow growing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I believe we're at 65 right now, so I haven't hit my milestone yet, but I can't wait any longer. So I'm going to do one quick raffle this week, and then we're going to get to the big raffle when I really do hit 100 subscribers. But we're going to start with one item, which is this. It is gorgeous. This is a mini happy planner. I'm not going to open it because it is still sealed, but I'll give you some good photos, hopefully, if we can focus. But this is just adorable. This is 12 month. It is, I believe it's dated. I thought it was dated. Oh, I take that back. It's undated. This particular one is undated. Hello, beautiful year. It does have a thingy here. Sorry. Again, I don't want to unwrap it, but if you can see through that clear, I could see the reflection of my ceiling fan. That's funny. And here's what the back looks like, which gives a photo of, potential for decorating. The mini planners are typically horizontal. And the kit does come with the planner, the dividers, I can't read all this, but there's some stickers in here too. You can kind of see there's some stickers in the front. Looks like gold foil. But again, I don't want to open it or ruin it for the winner. So our very first raffle is here. So here's our giveaway. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some instructions in the description box below. And I just want you to, obviously I want you to be a subscriber. And I can only ship to US and Canada. So my apologies for that. If you're outside of the US or Canada, I won't be able to ship to you. So either, I guess, don't enter, or if I pull someone that has an outside of that area address, I will leave you a message and apologize profusely and pick another winner. But I'm just super excited. You guys, I have this huge basket in my craft room. I've got more happy planners. I've got tassels. I've got stamping sets. I've got sticker sets. I've got notepads. I've got Nouveau drops. I've got so much stuff that I want to give away for our big raffle, but I just can't wait. And I think some of my happy planners are dated for 2018, so that's part of the rush, is I want to get these out to you so you can start using them. So I'm going to share a quick fun fact, or you may consider it, maybe it's a sad fact, I don't know. But I know literally no one who enjoys planning and crafting like I do. None of my friends are planner girls, none of my friends like to do crafting. Most of them, I only have really one close friend who loves to cook as much as I do. So that's probably why I started this channel to begin with, is to connect with more people like you, people who like to do what I do, people who share the passion for creativity that I do. So the qualifications for entering this giveaway are not going to be tagging other people, or you have to share my video with so many people to blah, 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 blah. I don't do that, because as a crafter and as a lone ranger in my little isolated crafting world, I enter giveaways probably just like you do. And the giveaways that have all these requirements, I don't have anybody to tag. None of my friends are involved in any of my hobbies. So I don't have anybody to tag. I obviously don't enter any of those giveaways. I want this giveaway to be open to anybody who enjoys my channel. So we're not going to do any of those kind of weird requirements. The only requirement for entering my giveaways is that you are a subscriber to my channel. And for this particular giveaway, I'm going to make it really simple. If you would please just answer 2 questions in the comments below. Number 1, tell me what planner or planners you're using for 2018. And number 2, what would you like to see on this channel? Give me an idea or 2 of what you would like to see on my channel. Based on the description, of course, of what my capabilities are and what my areas of interest are. Leave some ideas. I do have tutorials coming up on how to print your own stickers. I know I've gotten a lot of requests for those. I promise they're coming. I've been working on the software so I can record my screen so I can actually share the tutorials. So those are coming. Promise. I promise. But yeah, just what planner or planners are you using for 2018 and what would you like to see on my channel? 2 questions. Put 2 answers in the comments below, and as long as you are a subscriber, you are entered into the giveaway. Okay, so we will do this giveaway from today through Friday, February 2nd. I will announce the winner on Saturday, February 3rd, and make sure that I can reach you. So I will announce the winner, and I'll need you to reach out to me right away so that I can get this super cute mini Happy Planner out in the mail to you. And then we'll be looking forward to our next really big raffle, which, like I said, I've been collecting stuff for a couple of months now for our big raffle. This is a preview of what we're going to be doing. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Thank you all. I think we have 65 subscribers right now. Thank you to all 65 of you. Thank you for being patient with me. Consistency is not a good word in my vocabulary, but the one thing that is always consistent is my Plan With Me videos always come up on Fridays, so you'll always have those. And all of the other stuff, hauls, shopping hauls, tutorials, DIYs, everything else is just going to be a little bit random based on what I'm doing that week. But thank you for your support. Please do like, subscribe. If you know others who would be interested in my channel, please do share. I would super appreciate that. And just remember, I love saying this because it means something to me, and I wrote this quite a long time ago, and I believe in it. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Thanks, guys.